Oh friends, I parked here. This is Tarzan car. Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of toy vehicles serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys with my hand one by one. Let's go. At first is a luxurious car. Parked here my first toy vehicle, luxurious car. This is red, black and silver color combination. This realistic model luxurious car. And next one is here a cartoony car. Parked here this cartoony car beside this luxurious car. This is a very nice cartoony model. This car here is a red, black and silver color combination. This car. Now I will drive this cartoony model dump truck. Now I parked here this cartoony model drum truck beside this car. See this drum truck, this is pink, paste and purple color combination. This is a DS Tarzan car, so I will try this one now. Oh friends, I parked here this DS Tarzan car beside this drum truck. See this DS Tarzan car, this is a realistic model, cheapest plastic toy. This color is a yellow, black, silver and blue color combination. So friends, you can see here is already 4 vehicle hand drive and introduced with you. And next one is here a police bike with a police. I parked here this police bike beside this DS Tarzan car. This is a beautiful color combination cartoony model. This police bike with a police. This one is a racing car. I parked here this racing car. This is a realistic model racing car. You can see this racing car in a racing sport and this is a red, black and silver color combination. This nice racing car. This is the last one is a momentum true car, so I will try this one also. I also parked here this momentum true car beside this racing car. See this momentum true car, this is pink, paste and yellow color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful color combination. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel. Tata, bye bye.